Our group A member are Xin Miao, Xuan Shi, Yu Qiu, and Wei Liang. Our application is for the stock recommendation app. Next one, please. So this is our overall architecture for the app. So firstly, we have the strategy template class created for the template for 5 strategies. Then we have the external stock library. We are using the Wi-Fi to connect to our strategy class. Then the money investor interface will call the issues strategy class to get the value and stuff like that. Next one, please. So our application feature are, we have the 5,000 minimum dollar to invest, and we can have the results showing both the table and the line chart format. And we have research 5 various and reliable strategy for the investor to select. And once the strategy was selected, the history diagram will be available to show. And as well as the strategy detail, including the stock name, money input, and the current stock value. So next one. So here's the diagram with the detailed information of your selection. You can see there are selected stock name and also the money you are divided, put into the stock, and the A shows also the current value. And in the diagram, you can see the trend of the stock change. Next one. So here's our first test case. So when you get internet no connection, it shows the arrow that request failed with the stock code 500. Next one.
Wei Chang.
Oh, sorry. Oh, hi. Our extra features has totally have 7 features. The percentage distribution between 2 strategies can be freely adjusted. And furthermore, we adopt the object-oriented class target to teach strategies to reduce the amount of code by inheritance in relation. So let's reduce the workload efficiently. Third, the percentage of the strategies cannot be less than zero, and the sum of the ratio must equal to 100%. The first one is the strategy option cannot be now. And the 5th one is there will be a notice if total investment less than 500. The sixth is strategy must be selected, because if no strategy is selected, there will be also a notice shown. And the last one is if choose one strategy, the percentage must be equal to 100%. So next, please. So here is the some examples of the screenshots. The first one is the percentage must equal to 100% when they only choose one strategy. And please notice the right part. It's about the inheritance. I mean the object-oriented classes inheritance relationship. Next, please. On this page, we showed about the percentage of the strategy must be between 1 to 100. So we can see if it's less than 0, it will show a notice. And the right part, we can see the strategy 1 should not be same as strategy 2. So if we only choose one strategy, it must equal to 100%. Next, please. This page we can see the total investment money less than 500 US dollar, and the right one is strategy. That's the strategy choice option part is none. So that's the extra features part. Next.
世轩
There are some challenges for our project. Strategies choosing took much time to research. Stock library request took too much time also. And we need some corner cases improvements. That's all. Thank you.
Okay, I will show the demo to you. We have 10 test cases. The first test cases is we invest too less money. Let's input 4,000 here, and you will get an alert that the minimum of total invested money should be at least $5,000. And since if we have $5,000, we would get the correct result, which is a table and a line chart. The table shows the details of stock name, divided invested money, and the current value. And the line chart will show you the last 5 days portfolio value. The third test case is if we write a value that is more than 100 here, we would get an alert that the percentage of strategy 1 should be 1 to 100. And if we choose the percent, which is the fourth test case is if we choose the strategy 1, which is less than 0%. Let's write here to -2. We also get this alert. The fifth test case is if we choose strategy 1 to ethical investing, and strategy 2 has the same strategy, we would got another alert that strategy 1 should not be the same as strategy 2. The sixth test case is if we don't choose any strategy here, we would have a please select a strategy alert. For the seventh test case, we would choose just ethical investing, and let's invest $50,000. Here is the result of ethical investing. We invested 3 stocks, which is TSLA, BLNK, and CHPT. Here is the invested money and the current value. The eighth test case is we choose index investing. And we would get TQQQ and SPY and TNA. If we for the ninth strategy. For the next test case, let's choose a combination of growth investing and index investing. Let's set it to be 80%. And here is the result. Since we choose two investing strategy, so we invested 6 stock. Here are the stocks names that we invested, and there's invested money and their current value. The 10th test case is we choose quality investing and value investing, and let's set it to be different value. For example, 50 to 50. It's a little slow because of the response time from Y Finance API is slow. Okay, we have got what we want. Thank you. That's the all 10 test cases. Thank you.